ये हाल है, धक्के मारने पड़ रहे गाड़ी को, इतनी स्नो है।
Don't cry, snowman, not in front of me. Who'll get your tears if you can't catch me, darling? If you can't catch me.
Hey friends, welcome to the channel and I hope that you are doing extremely well. So today it's Monday the 21st of November 2022 in Stockholm, and it hasn't stopped snowing from the past 3 days, and it's snowing currently as well. And this is the view outside from my window right now. I think this is a snowstorm because there is snow up till like 30 to 40 centimeters, which is like around like the height of my knee. And in this video, I'm going to show you our experience, yesterday's experience when our car got stuck in the snow. And we had to like push our car because the snow was like so thick. And stay tuned for the vlog.
Hey, darling, don't cry, snowman, don't leave me this way. A bottle of water can't hold me close, baby. Can't hold me close, baby.
चल गया। ऐसे वो कितनी स्नो है गाइस, हमारी गाड़ी अटक गई है, स्नो हटानी पड़ रही है कि गाइस ये हाल होते हैं स्नो में। ये हाल है, धक्के मारने पड़ रहे गाड़ी को, इतनी स्नो है। फाइनली तक में क्या है। अभी हम लोग अपनी गैराज में आए हैं, पार्किंग में, और अभी बाहर जो हाल हुआ था, हमारी गाड़ी स्नो में अटक गई थी। गाइस अभी तक स्नो हो रही है 2 दिन से कंटिन्यूस, और अभी दिखाता हूँ आपको क्या हाल हुआ है यहाँ पे। गाइस ये देखो